I'm walking right over to it.
Which one?
The blue one.
That blue one? That thing is nice. Yeah, I like the Chevy one. This thing's cool. Mikey, look at this. Someone coming back from the fucking grave.
Every fucking wire. What's it look like?
That thing is cool.
That's what we're going to do. Take pictures.
I don't know. I'm taking camcorders. I'm gonna be posting it to my YouTube. That's cool. Take videos of everything, man.
Why?
Stable it straight to YouTube.
I'm getting that gold one. Look, Johnny, you're calling it something.
There's my little truck. I wish. Dude, I'm at 2 minutes.